On Your Side First Warning Weather with Cuyler Diggs.
This is the last full day of summer, and it's actually feeling like it out there. 96 degrees right now at the Tucson International Airport. We have seen some clouds building throughout the afternoon. Going to try and squeeze some rain out of there before the night's over, but it's going to have a tough time doing it with a dew point of 48 degrees and 19% humidity. Atmosphere down low is still pretty dry, and there we go, we got the picture back. Skycam looking good right now. Take a look at that right over the Catalinas, seeing some cumulus clouds there that are trying to develop into cumulonimbus, thunderstorms, and we might actually get that done a little bit later tonight. I'm going to explain why. Temperatures right now across the southeastern part of the state, 73 degrees in Show Low, 83 in Sierra Vista, and 94 degrees in Selzen. We're still over 100 degrees in Phoenix. And taking a look at the rest of the west this afternoon, 79 in Albuquerque, 89 in Salt Lake City, and 68 degrees in San Francisco. Notice some cooler air starting to drift in from the northwest, and that's going to be affecting the weather right here in southeastern Arizona over the next couple of days. The highs so far today, these are unofficial highs, 96 degrees in Tucson and 101 in Phoenix, 87 degrees in Wilcox. Well, fall is near. In fact, it arrives tomorrow afternoon at 1:44. That's the autumnal equinox. That's when the sun is right over the equator. And along with the arrival of fall, we are going to see the arrival of some kind of fall-like weather around here. There is a system moving in from the Pacific Northwest. It will be pushing through here throughout the day tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be noticing some noticeably cooler air, but especially tomorrow night. As you start your day Monday morning, you're going to notice much cooler temperatures into the 60s, where we have seen overnight lows into the 70s and 80s, and out ahead of that, windy conditions. So on the radar right now, not showing a whole lot as far as thunderstorm activity, but we'll be watching that through the evening because there's enough moisture that's being pulled out ahead of this system that we could see some thunderstorms late tonight, and then tomorrow that moisture pretty much gets shoved to the east. We'll still have enough left to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms in some of the higher elevations of eastern Arizona tomorrow, especially around Show Low and Safford and places like that. But in and around Tucson, after tonight, we really dry things out. 73 degrees under partly cloudy skies tonight. Gusty wind tomorrow. That's going to be one of the big stories around here. 94 degrees earlier in the day, and then throughout the afternoon, those temperatures will start to drop off and into the 60s by overnight tomorrow night. Check that out. 63 degrees as we start our day on Monday. So yes, indeed, the first full day of fall will actually feel kind of fall-like as we get it started, but it'll warm up to 92 degrees by Monday afternoon, and then we'll stay in the low to mid 90s through Thursday. But look at Friday, another little push of cool air comes through here, 89 degrees for a high on Friday. So looks like fall is kind of arriving around here.
I like it, finally.
Yeah, I think a lot of people
Hey, I have
are happy.
a question for you.
Yes, okay.
Have you ever wanted to be an actor?
You know, there's
Yeah,
parts
people think about it.
Yeah, you think
exactly.
about it.
Well, two familiar faces took on acting